obviously constantly, every day, there's hiccups and there's moments that I want to quit. This is also kind of my training, is always look at the worst case. How bad could it be? And is it that, oh, I mortgage my entire house and then I will be living on the street? No, I'll be fine. And okay, so if it's not that bad, then what is the worst? Is company going to go under? No. And maybe just at a smaller scale, it will continue to float because of also my training. It's cash flow and stability and building a long-term business. Because a lot of when you make decisions, there are a lot of short-term fast money, but doesn't build a long-term moat. And I had to make, and I always been kind of building a long-term business because I do not believe in fast money again. Therefore, I most of the decisions are all for long-term goals. I'll give you an example. Most of the NCPs out there only build bare metals. There are no tech stack or software stack, period, because that's very expensive. And that does not serve revenue targets in the short term. And it's a money pit for most of the companies. And there are over 100 plus NCPs or even 200 plus NCPs. And look at us, because I made those decisions on investing in technology, investing in software, investing in our software stack. Therefore, we got placed as top 6 in the world now as a cloud provider to NVIDIA. That is because that bet that I'm making. But I didn't know what would happen, right? At the time when I made that decision, that was over a year and a half ago. And the peers right now that didn't make that decision, one already filed Chapter 11. Another is becoming a low-cost commodity provider with no differentiation, because what all they can do is just slinging metals. It's like my metal, my GPU costs this amount, and that's it. So that is part of the long-term thinking and vision, and also speaks about my style.